There's a heat warning all across British Columbia. It's so hot we're actually breaking records.
So I'm gonna go put this frying pan outside for an hour, and then I'm gonna see if I can cook an egg on it. In direct sunlight.
1 hour later.
Look at that thing cook. Guess I'll make some scrambled eggs. It's cooking it. It's taking a minute. Oh, I can smell it. It smells good. I think it's almost done. Who would have thought you could cook an egg outside?
Looks good. Where's the salt and pepper?
I forgot all my seasoning. That's okay.
Eggs taste better with salt and pepper and ketchup.
Probably. It was a test. I didn't think I was actually going to cook it. Holy smokes, look at that. Now the real test. Yep, it's cooked. It's good. It's good. It's definitely cooked. Who would have thought you could use the sun to cook an egg?
Now go clean up your mess.